Hi, this is Richard with FoxAironHeat.com. We got another one of our lifetime warranty Amana furnaces. We got the good high efficiency coil over there. It's almost buried, it's hard to see. Got new supply plenums with balancing dampers on there, Mastic sealed everywhere. We got the double overflow. We got one safety switch on the emergency pan. We got one on the coil itself. We got everything sealed up there. We got to come back and insulate a little bit of that line. We got the drip leg on the gas line, a brand new gas line there, and the high flow return plenum with the high flow filter. And everything's mastic sealed up. We got plenty of clearance underneath there, and it's draining downhill. A couple things we got to wrap up on that, but that's another one, lifetime warranty Amanas. If that heat exchanger ever cracks, which it won't because it's stainless steel, they're going to give you a new one, a whole new furnace. If the compressor dies on the outside unit, they're going to give you a whole new condenser. So give us a holler. The big thing about it is you want to get it done right. Have the guys that know how to do it right, and they'll stand behind it. It's Richard over at FoxAironHeat.com, and we'll make it happen for you. Thanks for watching.